Hi friends, myself Pramod Toke, Assistant Professor in Maharishi Dayananda College, Parel, Mumbai. Today we are going to study elementary transformation from matrix chapter. So let us first understand the meaning of elementary transformation. The elementary transformation of a matrix are the 6 operations, 3 of which are row operations and 3 are to be column. So let us see first elementary transformation, interchange of any two rows. So we interchange ith row and jth row of the matrix, and this transformation is denoted by R1 changes to Rj or Rij. So here we interchange only ith row and jth row of the matrix. The remaining rows of the given matrix are same. So let us see some example. So given matrix A is 1 2 3 4, the order 2 cross 2, then R1 changes to R2 gives new matrix. So here we interchange first and second row. First row will be 3 4 and second row will be 1 2, and we say given matrix A is equivalent to new matrix 3 4 1 2. So this is a notation of equivalent. See one more example. A is a given matrix of order, given matrix 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 2 1 2 is a order of this matrix is 3 cross 4. Then R2 changes to R3 gives the new matrix. So we interchange second and third row. So first row is same, it is in the new matrix, it is 1 2 3 4. So second row will be 4 2 1 2 and third row will be 0 1 2 3. So we say the given matrix A is equivalent to new matrix 1 2 3 4 4 2 1 2 0 1 2 3. So we interchange second row and third row of the given matrix. Now we will see the second elementary transformation, interchange of any two column so we interchange ith column and jth column of a matrix, and it is denoted by Ci changes to Cj or Cij. So in this transformation we interchange ith column and jth column of the matrix, remaining columns are same. Let us see some example. So given matrix A is 1 2 3 4, then C1 changes to C2 gives the new matrix. So here we interchange first and second column. So first column will be 2 4 and second column will be 1 3. So we say given matrix A is equivalent to 2 1 4 3. See one more example. A, the matrix A is equal to 1 2 0 4 2 3 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3, the matrix of order 3 cross 4, then C2 changes to C3 gives the new matrix. So here we interchange second and third column, interchange these two columns, first and fourth column is same. So first column is 1 2 1, second column will be 0 1 2, and third column is 2 3 minus 1, and fourth column will be 4 2 3. And we say A is equivalent to new matrix 1 0 2 4 2 1 3 2 1 2 minus 1 3. Now we will see the next elementary transformation, that is multiplication of the element of any row by non-zero scalar. So if k is non-zero scalar and row Ri is to be multiplied by constant k, and this transformation is denoted by Ri changes to k times Ri or k times Ri. So in this transformation we multiply the every element of the row Ri by constant k. So let us see an example. So matrix A is 2 1 3 5, then R2 changes to 2 times R2 gives the new matrix. So here we multiply the second row by non-zero scalar 2. So first row is same, that is 2 1, and multiply the second row by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, that is multiply every element of second row by 2. 3 into 2 is 6 and 5 into 2 is 10. So we say A is equivalent to new matrix 2 1 16. Let us see one more example. So A is 1 2 0 4 2 minus 1 3 1 4 5 2 3, then R3 just to 3 times R3 gives the new matrix. So here we multiply the third row by non-zero scalar 3. So first and second row are same. So 1 2 0 4 2 minus 1 3 1, and third row will be, so multiply every element of third row by 3. So 3 into 4 is 12, 5 into 3 is 15, 2 into 3 is 6, and 3 into 3 is 9. So we say given matrix A is equivalent to 1 2 0 4 2 minus 1 3 1, and third row is 12 15 6 9. I will see the next elementary transformation is fourth, multiplication of the element of any column by non-zero scalar. So if k is non-zero scalar and column Ci is to be multiplied by constant k, and this transformation denoted by Ci changes to k times Ci or k times Ci. So, in this transformation we multiply every element of ith column by constant k. So, remaining columns are same. Let us see an example. So, A is 1 0 2 3, then C1 changes to 3 times C1, then the new matrix. So, here we multiply first column by non-zero scalar 3. So, first column will be, so 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 2 is 6, and second column is same as in the given matrix 0 3. So, we say, so A is equivalent to new matrix 3 6 0 3. Let us see one more example. So, A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 0 2 3 1 0 minus 1 2. Then R2 changes to, sorry, C2 changes to 2 times C2 gives the new matrix. So, here we multiply second column by non-zero scalar 2. So, first column is same as given in the given matrix. We multiply second column by 2. So, we multiply here every element of second column by 2. So, 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 2 is 10, 3 into 2 is 6, and minus 1 2, the minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, and third column is same as 3 0 1 2. So, we say A is equivalent to given matrix 1 4 3 4 10 0 2 6 1 0 minus 2 2. So, we will see the next elementary transformation, the adding scalar multiple of all the rows, all the elements of any rows to the corresponding element of any other row. So, if k is non-zero scalar and the k multiples of the element of Ri are to be added to the element of Rj, and it is denoted by Rj changes to Rj plus k times Ri. We will see some example. So, A is 1 2 3 4, then R2 changes to R2 plus 2 times R1 gives the new matrix. So, first row is same 1 2, and second row will be R2 plus 2 times R1. So, 3 plus 2 times R1. So, 2 into 1 is 2, 4 R2 plus 2 times R1. So, 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4, it is 1 2 5 8. So, new matrix is 1 2 5 8, and we say given matrix A is equivalent to 1 2 5 8. See one more example. A is 1 2 3 0 1 4 minus 1 2 1, then R3 changes to R3 plus 3 times R2 gives the new matrix. So first and second row are same, is 1 2 3 0 1 4, and third row will be minus 1 plus 3 times R2, minus 1 plus 3 times 0 is minus 1, 2 plus 3 times 1, so 2 plus 3 times 1 is 2 plus 3, it is 5, and third entry is 1 plus 3 times 4, it is 12, 3 into 4 is 12, so 1 plus 12 is 13. So we say given matrix A is equivalent to 1 2 3 0 1 4 minus 1 5 13. Now we will see the last elementary transformation, that is adding the scalar multiple of all the element of any column to the corresponding element of any other column. So if k is non-zero scalar, the k multiple of the element of column Ci are to be added to the element of column Cj, and it is denoted by column Cj changes to Cj plus k times Ci. So here only Cjth column will be changed, remaining columns are same in the new matrix. So for example, the A, your matrix A is minus 1 2 3 4, then C1 changes to C1 plus 3 times C2. So here gives we will add 3 times second column to our first column is minus 1 plus 3 times 3, so 3 into 3. Second entry of first column will be 2 plus 3 times C2, so 3 into 4, and second column is same. This gives the new matrix minus 1 plus 9 is 8, 3, 2 plus 12 it is 14, and 4. So we say given matrix A is equivalent to 8 3 14 4. See one more example. A is 1 2 0 2 3 4, then C3 changes to C3 plus 2 times C1 gives the new matrix. So here only we will change the third column of given matrix. First and second column will be same. So first column is 1 2, second column is 2 3, and third column is 0 C3, that is 0 plus 2 times C1, so 0 plus 2 times C1, so 2 times 1 into 2, so 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 2 times 2, so 4 plus 2 times 2, that is 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8. So we say given matrix A is equivalent to 1 2 2 2 3 8. Now we will see the more examples. The given matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 3 2 1 0 3 3 1, then elementary transformations are 3R3 and C3 changes to C3 plus 2 times C2. So first we apply this transformation, then we apply second one. So now 3 times R3 gives, so we multiply third row by 3, so first and second row is same, 1 minus 1 0, 2 1 0, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 1 is 3. So we say A is equivalent to new matrix 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 0, 9 9 3. Now we apply the second elementary transformation. It is C3 changes to C3 plus 2 times C2 gives, so here first and second columns are same, so 1 2 9, minus 1 1 9, and third column will be 3 plus 2 times minus 1, there is 3 minus 2 1, 0 plus 2 is plus 2, and 3 plus 2 times 9, that is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21. So we say the given matrix A is equivalent to 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 2, 9 9 21. Thank you.